Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Logitech G305 disconnecting on and off. And basically what you'll need to do is basically take this panel, take out your battery, and make sure you get a new battery. Okay, so that's the first step. After that, if you still have a problem, what you'll need to do is just take aluminum foil, something like that, just make a little ball. Okay, and now what we'll need to do is put back there, so you will need to do the proper push and placement right here on the spring, and after that just put a battery to ensure the contact is pretty good. Okay, and now what we need to do is make sure right here this battery contact is connected to this little metal square or the pin. So make sure the contact is there, and you'll see actually the okay, let me just power off and power on again. You'll see the light that it works properly. Now you can just close the side panel and you'll be good to go. So that's the fix with the aluminum foil. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.